Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, and today I'm going to put on my foundation and everything except the eyes, and we're going to come back and I'm going to just like play around and talk to y'all for a little bit. And I'm going to be trying something different today. I'm going to be trying to do like an invert. Like I usually darken up the crease and do light on the lid. So I'm going to try and swap it and see how it looks. But if it looks bad, I'm probably not going to post this video. So, or I might, I don't know. But yeah, let's get right on into the video. I'll be right back with all my face done except the eyes, and we'll get started. Alright guys, I'm back and I have my foundation on and my concealer and my blush and my highlighter. And now we are ready to do the eyes. And today I'm not exactly sure, let me put these brushes up. I'm not exactly sure what look I want to do just yet, but we'll figure it out as we go along. Sorry, I'm like trying to pick everything up and organize things. Today I did remember to take out all of my glitter though, so maybe we'll do some glitter today. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start off with a transition color, and I'm taking the Be Bella Silent Night palette and I'm tapping into this color right here. Alright, we've got that transition color on, and now we're going to go to the crease with a very light brown, and yeah, start that off. Okay, let's go in with this middle one on the middle row right here. Okay, tap into that, tap off the excess, and start putting this back in. So, how has y'all's days been? Comment down below, I'd love to hear about them. My last few days have not been the best for me. I've got something wrong with my GI intestinal tract going on right now, and I went to the ER and they did some tests, and I'm not going to give you all the gory details, but I'm having to go to the GI doctor soon. Well, not soon, it's like a month in advance. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. Oh, and I'm like really tired and I don't feel like I can do anything, but today, oh my gosh, today I had so much homework to do. But that's okay, life goes on. I finished it all, so congrats to me. So yeah, let's try to figure out what look we're going to do. Okay, so I put a little brown in the crease just to like get us started off. I think we're gonna close the Silent Night palette for now. I want to be loud, okay. And we're going to take the Be Bella palette, and I think we're going to go in with let's do this coral color right here. It looks kind of orange on the screen, but it's coral. Okay, so now I'm going to spritz my all over shadow brush with some e.l.f. setting spray. Oops, there we go. And put that all over the lid. I hope this turns out okay. Okay. Ooh, that's a little bit too much. Hold on. Okay, now I'm going to take the blending brush and we're going to blend this in. The TV is so loud. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Okay. Alright, pull that a little bit higher up. Alright, I think we need a little bit more brown on this side. I'll take this brown. Okay, take the blending brush again, and I'm going to blend that out on the top. Okay, now we're going to take, I think we're going to take this reddish color right here, I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm literally just making this up as I go along, so if it turns out terrible, well, it is my own fault, but you know, not really my fault. Gosh dang it, it's turning out darker in the crease and lighter on the lid. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go back in with maybe a glitter. I don't know. Alright. Blend this out. Alright. I'm trying to decide what to do next while I clean up my brush. Okay, I think we're going to take, no, I need a darker color. Let's do this color right here, and we're going to put that on the inner corners with my finger. Alright, I need a makeup wipe. Oh well, I'll just wipe it off with my finger. Okay, now I'm going to take the blending brush again and blend that out. Alright, now we're going to take the detailer brush and we're going to dip into the second red shade that I did. And I want to put that underneath right here. Sorry about that, guys. They're a little bit loud. My grandpa is half deaf, so he doesn't realize how loud he's speaking. Okay, do that same thing on the other eye. Alright, now we're going to take some, what color do I want? I'm going to take this color. I'm going to put some shadow glue on the lid and see how, oh, that's a little bit too much. Okay, that should be good for the other eye. Okay, now I'm going to put this all over the lid. Now we're going to take this pink shade, if y'all can see that. It's in the shade Brilliant, and it's from BH. Okay, I'm going to take some right here. Okay, and just go on in. I immediately regret putting that much on, but you know what? It's okay. We'll blend that out in a second. Or now. Okay, do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, I'm going to blend the other eye out. I got a little bit too much on the upper portion of this eye, but that's okay. We'll try better next time. I'll know to do less next time because it's like really pigmented. See? Okay. So now we got the eyes done. I just need to do mascara and do a little bit of lipstick and we'll be finished for today. If I can find my mascara. I dug through this bag and everything's like awry now. Here it is. Okay, I found it. And we're going to be using the Peacock Flare again. And put that right on. Okay. Do the other eye. Oh, there's glitter everywhere. Oh well, we'll finish that later. Okay, now we're going to find a lipstick. And I think I have the perfect one right here. It is by Katy Perry, Katy Kat Matte. And it is shade Couture. I don't know if this is still part of the name, but it says Tricot Griffes. Don't know what that means. Okay, lipstick time. Okay, here's the final look. Let me zoom y'all in. Okay, so we've got the eyes and the lips, and this is what it looks like all put together. Okay guys, let me zoom y'all back out. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, like if you loved my video, and share it with all of your friends. Alright guys, see ya!